How to change destination in Grab while in transit. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the destination in Grab while in transit. First, open your Grab app while you're on the ride. Now, look for the Change Destination button on the screen. This is usually located at the bottom of the ride details. Then tap on Change Destination to enter your new location. You can either type the address in the search bar or select from your saved places. Once you've entered the new destination, the app will update the route and show you the new fare if applicable. After confirming the new destination, the driver will be notified, and you can continue your ride to the updated location. Remember, changing the destination may affect your fare and estimated arrival time, so make sure to check those details before proceeding. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.